Hello, I'm back. This your girl Yumo, and I'm about to get ready to do my hair. So I had a twist out after that protein treatment I did, and I rocked it like that for one day, twisted. I got some compliments. It was cute, but I was just kind of chilling, And now I'm ready to take it down. So and create some new. I made me a concoction, my hair and body oils, and yeah. I'm about to put me on some lipstick though. This is one of my favorite kinds. This color be hidden. It's by Avon. It's called Romantic something. But anyway, this cute. So yeah. Now I'm gonna take these joints down. I pretty much ordered. I decided, let me go ahead and film me a YouTube video. You feel me? So, how are you today? I hope everyone is doing good, lovely, and have a productive, beautiful, peaceful day. Me, I feel good. It's a no makeup kind of day. That's how I feel. Just, I want to be low key, chill. Yeah. So, put my lipstick on and go. But I see once this hairstyle come about. But that's how I'm feeling right now. I just want to be me. I just want to be free. I want to have the power to be fabulous, Monique, okay? Yes, so let's get these down. I have my hair pinned. So, want to hear a funny story? I tried to do a YouTube video yesterday and erased it. Me and my daughter, we went to a restaurant to do a mukbang. Eating on the camera. And we doing our thing. And I moved the camera and erased the video. Oh, we was salty. She talking about we could go buy some more. Negative. That mean next time, boo. Keep hope alive. Next time. Cause we ain't going to buy no more. That was out. That was out. Okay, this is a twist out down. Let me see. Hey, no, you ain't gotta let yeah. All right, my hair feel good. It's good. Let's see what I can do. Let's create some beautiful stuff. Let's create a beautiful hairstyle. Let's create a beautiful hairstyle. I'm gonna make it all worthwhile. When you're grooving with me, when you're moving with me, when you're moving with me, moving and you're grooving with me. Alright, Hey, hey, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah. Look alright. But I ain't really feeling it. I want something else. I need more beauty, more beauty. So I gotta do my duty. I need to comb. Hey, 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 yeah. Hey, hey, yeah. No, you ain't gotta lay, yeah. Alright. No, we gotta lay, yeah. Yeah. Guess I like that part. And no, we gotta lay, yeah. Like that. Alright. Oh, I shouldn't have messed that part up. Then the hair be all loose, free. Nah. 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 How I do that one? I did that one going up, so we're gonna do a twist right here. Put a little oil on that joint so it be slick and shiny. Alright. Got a whole lot of options. So you know it's non-stopping. Alright, next. I'm gonna put this clip on both of y'all joints. Damn, that ain't gonna work. Alright. I'm gonna put this one clip on both. No, I got whole body pins right here tweaking. Alright. Alright, cool. When you're doing half of your clients, you can't put your body pins in your mouth. But when you in your comfort of your own home and doing your own hair, feel free. Alright. I like that one. That's cute. Should I put the other side up too? No, I don't know what I like that today. I'm gonna do the one side because that's cute. Yeah. So make sure put one more round to shine on you. Around to shine on you, baby. Look at them edges. My edges were popping. And put a little more for this part sticking on out. And I need to put some more on my back. Cause you know this back be super dry, baby. You know this back be super dry, baby. So you gotta put some moisture on it. so it could be as beautiful as the rest. With some moisture on it, so it could be able to pass any test. Hey, put some moisture on it. All right, seriously, I'm done. I'm happy. Happy with the outcome. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know we gotta lay, yeah. Alright. I gotta have my little stuff because my baby will use it up. Okay? I gotta make her her own. And then the rest of the oil on you. That's the stuff I create. It's for your hair and your skin. 100% natural woman. Cause I'm all woman. From Monday to Sunday. Yeah, I ain't trying to work my fingers to no bone, okay? But man, the struggle is real. Alright, so. This is it. This is the end result. I'm feeling this bare face too. I'm just gonna be great. Period, poo. You know? Think I should have put on red lipstick. But this is cool. This be making my lips feel so moisturized and a cute color, so if they go with everything. So yeah, girls and ladies, twist out. You can rock it for a day or a week. Then take it out and rock your style curly. Okay? Then a little twist on the side. Baby, I'm in there. Alright? In there like booty hair. Period. But I'm really in there like a top model. You know? So, yeah, stay tuned for more videos because I'm finna get busy. Yeah? I am. I got some things to share. Because every day I do something fabulous. Period. So, yeah, this is the So Fye channel. I'm So Fat, and that's that. Alright? This is the hairstyle for the day. So, go be great. Don't let nobody mess up your day. Get on your nerves. If they do, whoo, woosah, count to 10. Do unto others as you want them to do unto you. Okay? And if they're doing too much, you do less. Period. Sometimes you gotta match it, but just try not to. Period. Because be better. Be better. We're being better. I'm working on being better than my last self. Yeah, so I'm going to take a photo and get on with my day. Bye, y'all. And peace out.